Kardom Karbi Anglong News Channel kelang arado anaphanta nilihin pen adap kimi a kardom nang pachir iglo kardom. Pini Karbi Anglong News Channel abirta than ponji bang nilimen sami merjilin hansepi non birta angton pen arjuponik tha. Langhin constituency APHLC CC committee hin pen tong sekot pherang ki amai ki phapona puthak APHLC CC women wing secretary sangpi Reeta Kramsapi NGO APHLC James Han Selong kaching bedunjui aputhaksi pherang ki amai kangnipo non hejong akimi NGO APHLC pu amahang pathek plot penajok APHLC je aikatar ke japon along che oponsi NGO APHLC along kaching bedun dokok penajok Langhin constituency CC lapen kidamtang MSc contesting candidate akehai sarmung rong par chelang petpen sangpi Reeta Kramsapi aphan ke chokche ke claim pon aputhaksi sarmung rong par lapen Langhin constituency CC atumpen ningkang samse alamthi rat angno kachepak lang ponchi aphan si pini pherang ke amai ingni pon ahud isi APHLC Central Committee Women Wings Secretary Reeta Kramsapi aphan Langhin constituency CC pen ningching sampik lapen inut kethekser abang philopu hokpon si amana pengta piponlo lapen thek an un an pen akeraptame pidunlo seta pini arni APHLC je aikathar aphan che otekang bupsi NGO APHLC long kaching bedunjui lake alangli amokewang winai kamathalo la potsi alangli ke a hokpet kachesong abang phi kalidat lopusi pini Karbi Anglong angkang arado ansita kachesong abang phipu hokpon nang nilopusi pini lamthe pangdak pon nang kokpu pusi pherang ke amai pen pachini ponlo Tangte APHLC Langhin constituency CC pen pherang ke amayalong kaning Japon alam thili angton pen arju iksinang dong mukak pen nang kilo berta rensing killing report Karbi Anglong News Channel
Pini pherang ke apotung pan chokhalo lage nitum alam la APHLC Langhin CC hin pensi nitum ta Karbi Anglong radapan pachini itu kupilama pachini pulote la bangke itu melong apangke APHC along omen wing hin bang akehoi pi Reeta Kramsapi kasi alang dia bangke apang bangke kachis song apin pupi do si Karbi Anglong along ke along ta alang li meeting dampik lo itu presiden aman ke do jai kathar ayas retire jai kathar alang li long vitun krisi Karbi Anglong ke alang li pachet tang plup andun lo pente alang li phan kado wita kache hok lo alang li khe phan dong ria phan karjap phip abang pi lo alang li kache song apin pu pi do pisi aning gi thilo ta pente ditum dak Langhin CC hin mate Langhin arat tame alang li phan ditum chi hon u chi hok pit piluma polonte alang li kidam tang hor bangge ki claim nesen khaya phan dong ria phan khe ke sung dong ki sung hu alang li ayap pit abang pilo kusi ye tum king hon lo chi hok u lo ta pente la son khe phan dong ria phan ki claim det abang ki aphan polote ni tum ta kaching hon na jo alang li kedam tang ahut isia kisung do alang li isia kes furok lo khala so kes ahut alang li tangka we poisa ka we la pen kira pa bang awe pente bel kenya phan long lia pota ta we ta puson ditum Langhin a presiden ake hai Amarsing ti la dong birta palilo apen nili ex candidate Langhin along dilimen sar mo khan nililong tame punang palilo kasi alang li kisung kaciru kacarnap la pen neraba bang ave bukan ningri la sini tum alang li phan kaching honayok ni tum potata thik pilo la pente jamindar ta thik pilo ukil ta ni tum nepilo la pen alang ni ke sikai sita poisa khorot nang ni pin lo athe ave pumasini tum patin te pin lo ni tum kedo kali ni tum Langhin arat dukti athe dake sakuita ke ong o bang ave kontrak ake the ke klem bang tawe boy pista me rong asor bang aning ki mi penayok cirung cirek lo bani koy mani thongkep tiket la pu cirung si ni tum secret toksi atangka khoros si alang ni phan gas pen payong dun tot lo ta sini tum imethang si ining charong lo itu kachisong apin pu pia phan itu eson ne ke rap thek lo kasi moar si ke det longri aphan kapayok gi ke klem ya tum lo usini tum imethang ta ining che bai lo sita pini hala NGO pen kese APHLC puna jikrong du latu malong alang li dunjui alang li upia posi ki dunjui ne lake ni tumahin pen nin hong duk dolo pente tasondo polonte alang li upia ki sung ki pusi alang li hala kes mamala bangke akisung mute hala honi ke alang li tum dundi le non ke yoy ki yahud alang li tum hala pu ke pa ogun rong ke aru kupia ki sung dolang li tum alang li phan agi li tum kupia ke sung pi pos alang li gidun jui lo pen na ala ke sung alam du polonte di tum ye kira pa prang atum lo ni tum Langhin phan khobor na kita mi ni tum kiane tangka poisa ki sung polonte bante kisu kisung pusitame tangka poisa yang si kirap tuna lang kota mendi tum rat si song taksi ni tum Reeta Kramsapi ya aphan kirap de dalong ate di tum ta tangka do ila alang ni ana lama tha tipin je ti phan ni kang hona munit karbiang rong bong do tang lu pa alang lima talan thi tang lu tu alang li ni cicini ne det ma non alang ni tum hala pun dun jui ke wa an alang tum man ke long po peng ke long po non ko alang ni tum upia ke yoy phan ke dun tala so ke yoy ka alang ni tum long verwe jut kok ki sitame lapu je ai ka thar sar ke yapon APHLC yang si doer kote non puta alang li phan karbiang long arata puri na bang tawe non puta alang li phan kimo bang deyi penap dik pen ke alang li phan na bang ke malo kimo bang dola la alang li kibuyi pami nang ya pon si ahok pedalang ke la sini tum ke ningduk lo pen nitumat alang li phan ayo ni ke khoros atangka suri krit roksita tangka ke yoy ni langwar chok son sinon ke mandet la supen nitum thang ta ali long de den asila son ke alang li aning chikimu nang yi na pente alang li la sona bang ke bhulde lo pulote alang chichi viet pulote la ke puthot bang thuyi si ke chok chi chikimu thu si sara long ningri ning lak do thu si parti ya chi song ke nang uno de den nai
MP Amarsing Tisso Assembly Session along Karbi Anglong Arjarding Kluipen Akimang Articles 244A Autonomous State labang so alam the kaning jedun aphuthak rat ahong jayalong kapeklang pon alam ang tonpen arjupon sinang. News report Karbi Anglong News Channel.
Amarsing Tisso कहाँ बैठे
श्री अमर सिंह जी
वो ऐसे पीछे खड़े
ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया है इसलिए मेरी तरफ से आपको कार्डम जुठाई नमस्कार I wish to thank Her Excellency the President of India for her wonderful speech and her grace in mentioning the historic achievement of the nation under the great leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Ji. The BJP government under Modi ji leadership have brought people of all community together, and the people of Northeast have reaped a greatest benefit. Today the people of Northeast are feeling proud to be citizen of India, and the successionist force that thrived under the previous Congress regime no longer attract the imagination of our youth. It is a historic achievement of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and our Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji to end all form of insurgency in the hill area of Assam, which I represent. I urge everyone here to give chance to development of the tribal people also. Allowed our Prime Minister to fulfill the program and commitment of the BJP in the Northeast, one of which has been in relation with the demand of the hill tribes of Assam for implementation of Article 244A of the Constitution of India. Exemption from appearing in exemption from appearing in MIL in UPSC exam. Upgradation of Central University Diffu campus to full-fledged university. MOU, MOS1, MOS2 are written commitment of Government of India, and this must be fulfilled without any delay. Here the unimplemented clauses should be highlighted emphatically for immediate solution. The issue of 125th Constitutional Amendment Bill 2019 should also be taken care of. Memorandum Settlement 2, as the bill in the present form has not covered certain important vital clauses of MOS2. A special provision in the 6th schedule exclusively for Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and Dimahas South Autonomous Council and other original 6th schedule council in respect to responsibility of governor should be provided in the provision of 125th Constitutional Amendment Bill, so that he is exclusively advised by the Autonomous Council in matter under the jurisdiction of 6th schedule. I am sure this long-standing demand of my people will also be delivered by this great government under the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and we will be delighted to hear its announcement sooner than later by our great President, the Honorable Madam Draupadi Murmu herself during her next address to the Parliament. As tribal people, we have been hugely inspired by the election of the tribal lady to the highest office of the country, which has been made possible only because our Prime Minister leadership has deep love for the nation, tribal people. We feel immensely proud whenever the Honorable Madam President addresses the nation, particularly the Parliament. So it is a matter of great distress for us when somebody disrespects her by calling her names and hateful words like bichari. So such comments are crime against the tribal people in Parliament. So learn to respect, honor SC, ST, OBC. We are also the son of the soil. आप लोग देखिए, मोदी जी से आप लोग सीखिए. Upliftment for 5 crores people from tribal community with an allotment of 80,000 crores rupees for this initiative. आप लोग सीखिए. आप लोग ने नोटिस को क्या दिया है? Before 10 years you have given us. क्या हम लोग को दिया है? आप लोग ने दिया है कि arrest, jail, encounter. आप लोग ने दिया है all northeast area you have declared a disturbed area, and you have imposed Armed Force Special Power Act, the power to shoot a person without the authority order. Say, आप लोग, thank you sir, I raise to support the motion of
Pinya berta ke lapuan si kang ton pon iklo do me thak me